Hello and welcome to the Ray Law Criminal Defense channel. Everyone deserves their day in court. That applies whether you're fighting a criminal matter or one that's civil in nature. But most people aren't aware of the price that litigants often pay at the end of the day, the financial price. Today, we're going to go over some typical court-mandated costs.
What is the difference between a court fee, a fine, and restitution?
A court fee is a cost associated with the initiation of a particular process or submission of a document to the courts. The amount that should be paid often correlates to a particular monetary threshold. For instance, here in Michigan, it costs a fee of $25 to initiate a civil case that involves any amount up to $600, whereas it costs $45 to initiate a civil case that involves an amount between $600 and $1,050. A fine is a penalty associated with a particular matter that must also be paid to the court. But there's a difference between a fine and a fee. With a fee or assessment, you pay the monetary amount in order to begin an action. A fine is paid as a result of something that already occurred. For example, a person who violated a particular county ordinance may be required to pay a fine to the court as a result. Restitution is a restorative measure used to compensate a victim of a crime. The amount that a defendant is required to pay will be based on the details of the incident involved. As an example, let's say a defendant participated in the destruction of private property. The court may require them to pay restitution in the amount that will cover a certain percentage of the property repair costs. In our next video, we'll go over some particular fees you can expect to pay and what happens if you aren't able to cover the costs. For more topical videos on court administration, check out our Ray Law Criminal Defense channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.